Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2017 17-plate BMW 420d M Sport. Now this is a lovely car, fantastic colour combination on this vehicle. So we're finished in the lovely sapphire black metallic paintwork. Obviously being the M Sport model, you get the more aggressive body styling, the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts. Then on top of that we've got some nice options. So we're riding on these 19-inch 5 twin spoke M Sport upgrade alloys. They're in fantastic order throughout, riding on really nice tyres. We've got the M Performance sport braking system there, so we've got the Estriol blue brake calipers with the M badges on those. We've got privacy glass, gloss black window surrounds coming through to the back. We've got a nice mountain grey lower diffuser. We've got the 420d badging, front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle. But looking round it, you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. It's in very, very nice order throughout. We've got those lovely LED angel daytime running lights with the headlamp wash, lower fog lamps, and then inside this lovely sapphire black paintwork is complemented with this coral red grained leather. Looks absolutely fantastic. There's a sense of occasion as soon as you step inside. Looking at the actual seats themselves, they're in nice order. It's not been smoked in here. Back seats are in lovely order. We've got comfortable seating for two. We've got a central armrest there with cup holders. You've got rear vents with the climate control and air conditioning. Then the red leather follows through onto the door cards. You've got this lovely red trim all throughout. We've got black on the top. We've got lots of brushed aluminium detailing, gloss black detailing, just to break it all up. But it looks superb. So, we've got front electric windows. We've got the upgrade Harman Kardon surround sound system. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, as you'd expect on a vehicle of this calibre. We're powered through the silky smooth 8-speed automatic box, so obviously we've got the flappy paddles there as well, allowing us to drive the car manually. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice command, volume and media controls. That's all found on there. We've got an onboard computer on the stalk. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 55,206 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through then to the centre display, we've got the newer style infotainment system, so full DAB radio, FM radio, we've got CD, DVD, obviously aux, nice to have a CD player. We've got our communications there, satellite navigation, which is very easy to follow, very responsive as well. Connected drive, my vehicle and notifications. Now following through, we've got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got ice cold air conditioning, we've got heated front seats on this one. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got central cup holders, we've got a 12-volt power outlet. You've got your drive select there also, so traction control, we've got Sport, Sport Plus, Eco, Pro, Comfort, and then you've got your parking sensors which you can switch on and off. So as you can tell, we've got the front and rears there. Now the full infotainment system is controlled via the centre scroll wheel and the buttons around it. The actual centre console is in very, very nice order, so looking at the brushed aluminium detailing, you do tend to pick up a few scratches on this with bracelets, you know, rings. It's in nice order. You can tell whoever's looked after this vehicle has done a very good job. We've got the coral red centre armrest. Within there is your aux and USB. Quite a bit of storage in there as well. But a lovely, lovely looking vehicle. M Sport steering wheel feels fantastic in the hand. The 8-speed box is very well suited to the 2-litre diesel. Fantastic power delivery on these cars. There are 190 brake horsepower, and that's sapphire black paintwork. When you see it in the sunshine, it's got a lovely, lovely metallic fleck. So, if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, we do offer finance. We've got some fantastic finance packages on the car. If you've got a part exchange, we'll happily give you a price over the phone or over WhatsApp. If you wanted any more images or videos on the vehicle, we can do a personalised WhatsApp video for you. But if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. On sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues Graham and Lee. So thank you for watching. Anything further, please do get in touch. Have a nice day.